Who's Jackson?
Jackson.
Who's that?
Jackson.
Well, who is he? What did you do with him?
I met him.
You what?
We met him.
You married him? Where?
At ball.
Huh?
At ball. At ball.
At a ball. At where?
Hey, who gave Lindsay this ring? Jackson.
What ring?
This ring. This ring.
Who's your husband?
And Jackson.
What? Did mommy and daddy say you could get married?
Yeah.
No. No,
Well,
we didn't.
well, Randy said that means it.
No.
Rennie said,
Yeah.
no, she said.
They made the neck.
Well, Jackson,
They
I'm gonna
said
kick
no.
his ass.
No!
Why?
Dude! You're my boyfriend.
Him's your what?
Boyfriend.
Yeah, my boyfriend.